Hi guys, this video is to help you with your Unit 9 Day 2 worksheet, and we're going to start by looking at number 1. Notice in number 1 I'm looking for the hypotenuse. So we know that in a right triangle we can use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And so I'm going to plug in 5 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. And then because those two things are on the same side of the equal sign, I can just type it into my calculator. So 5 squared plus 4 squared is 41. And then to get rid of the squared, I'm going to square root both sides. And remember, because we're finding the length of something, we're going to find just the principal square root, or the positive square root, and we're asked to round to the nearest tenth. So my answer is going to be 6.4. Because I'm not given any units in the question, I can just leave my answer at 6.4. Looking at number 2, again, I have a right triangle, so I'm going to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Plugging in the pieces of information I have 15 squared plus b squared equals 25 squared. Because those numbers are on opposite sides of the equal sign, I'm going to need to simplify them so I can combine like terms. Everything else stays the same. I'm going to subtract the 225 from both sides. That leaves me with b squared equals 400. And again, to get rid of the squared, I'm going to take the principal square root, which gives me positive 20. Flipping over to the other side, we see that 9, 10, and 11 have similar questions, but we're asked to write these in radical form only if the result is irrational. So let's take a look at question number 11. We know a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And so I can plug in 4 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. And then typing that into my calculator, 4 squared plus 12 squared gives me 160. Equals c squared. And we know we can take the principal square root. And when I type that into my calculator, the square root of 160, I get 12.6. So that's the answer to part B, our answer to the nearest hundredth. We've actually already found the answer as a radical. It's just the thing that we took the square root of. It is just the square root of 160. If you have any questions, please let us know.